Host a weekly get-together. Ingredients: small group of close friends who want to get together and catch up. Remember Notting Hill? Simple hearty dinner recipes that won't cause you to tear your hair out. Think salad, pasta, and ice cream. A hearty dinner that leaves everyone's stomach satiated will suffice. Nothing fancy needed. Jokes, laughter, and some good memories to share in the future. Menu: don't even bother printing one. Caesar salad, pasta, Puttanesca, Malt Ball Crunch Ice Cream. Ingredients: Caesar salad 1/4 cup, lemon juice 1/4 cup, white vinegar 1/4 cup, water 2 tbs, Dijon mustard 1/2 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon, ground black pepper 4 heads, romaine lettuce 3/4 cup, grated Parmesan 1/2 cup, garlic croutons. Directions: whip first 6 ingredients together until incorporated. Toss dressing with remaining ingredients in a large bowl, and serve. Pasta: Puttanesca 3 tbs, olive oil 3 cloves, garlic, minced, 1 lemon, 6 large Roma tomatoes, diced, 1/4 cup, black olives, sliced, 3 tbs, capers 1 1/2 package, 18 ounces, dried spaghetti 1/2 cup, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Directions: heat oil over medium heat, and cook garlic until fragrant for about 2 minutes. Squeeze in lemon juice. Stir in tomatoes, olives, and capers. Cook for about another 3 minutes. Let simmer under low heat. Cook pasta following instructions on the box. Toss in pasta and Parmesan with sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Malt Ball Crunch Ice Cream: 6 ounces malt balls, 1.75 quart, 1 tub. Vanilla ice cream. Directions: leave ice cream out for about 30 minutes to soften. Crush malt balls with a rolling pin. Stir malt balls into softened ice cream. Place ice cream in the freezer for about 2 hours before serving. Quick tips: be careful not to melt ice cream thoroughly or it will ice in the freezer. Recipes: serve approximately 6 guests. Gauge how much you need based on the number of expected guests.